It's your girl Rachel and Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making delicious brownies. They're perfectly shaped, made right in our Ninja Foodi grill. You guys, I found the craziest invention. This is awesome. It allows you to have perfectly sized brownies and crisp edges all around, so no more fighting for the edge pieces anymore. You guys, with this device, it fits perfectly in our Ninja Foodi grill. You can use this in your regular oven. I even use it in my XL oven. Perfect. So I will have the link for that item in the description box below. And then if you're looking for any of the links, they're also in the description box below. But I'm going to show you how we make these. We're going to go ahead and get started. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more videos on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But let's dive right in. So I'm going to start off by mixing what is required on this box. For this particular mixture, they require 1/4 cup of water, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. So you just want to make or mix according to the box instructions. Now I will tell you guys, if you're looking for a brownie that will keep its structure the next day, this is the brownie, you guys. This brownie will remain soft on the inside even after it's cooled down. And then we'll have that crunchy texture on the outside or on the edges, but remain soft on the inside. It is so moist and so good. So that's why I use this one. This is the Chocolate Supreme mix by Ghirardelli. This is not sponsored in any way, but you guys, this is just one of our family favorites, brownie mixture. So that's what we're going to do. So I will start mixing it, and then I will show you this new attachment. So what I have here is a baking pan that not only fits in the Ninja Foodi grill perfectly, but it also has this little divider that is made of also the same material as the pan. And this allows the brownie to crisp up perfectly on all the edges for every single brownie. And that's something that my family enjoys a lot, is we always fight for the edge pieces. So you can remove that fight from your family and have perfectly shaped brownies, along with all the edges being crisp all around as well for every single brownie. You guys, this is just a game changer for brownies, and I love it because it fits in the Ninja Foodi grill perfectly and it works. Okay, so this pan also has a little plate that slides out. Now, don't worry, when you add your batter, it presses down, or it presses down on the plate so it won't leak out. So don't worry about that. I always start in the center so that it evenly is distributed evenly on the plate. And it's non-stick as well, so it works perfectly for the brownies and does not stick. It comes right out. Alright, I'll finish adding the batter and we'll be back. Alright, so all I do is I take the little handles, I lift them up, and then I press in firmly in the center. Just make sure it's pressed down. I lower the handles, and then now let's preheat our grill. To preheat our grill, we're going to go ahead and select the bake function at 325 degrees for 18 minutes. So 325 for 18 minutes. Select start. We'll preheat and we'll be back. Alright, our grill is ready to go. What I do is I take my Ninja mitts and I grab the edge and I just slip that in there. So I like these because they cover up to the knuckle. They're really friendly with all of the Ninjas. Ooh, there I go with the camera. They work really well with all the Ninjas that I have. So, and they're $10 on the Ninja site, so they're really worth having. Alright, so it's the 18 minutes. You guys, what we're going to do is the unimaginable. The hardest part of making or baking is allowing it to cool. I know you'll be tempted to want to just try it, but allow it to cool, you guys. I promise it's worth the wait. So I'm going to allow it to cool entirely, and then we'll be back. Alright, you guys, and here we have it. We have our delicious brownie. It's crisp on the outside and soft on the inside. Perfect. You can see there, squishing it. Let me see if I can get a better view after I squished it here. There we go. So nice and moist on the inside and perfect on the outside, you guys. So we'll do this taste test. So good, you guys. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more videos on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But until next time, you guys have a great night.